Are you a working creative who sometimes gets a little bit of anxiety going through social media and seeing all the fabulous things everyone is making? Here are 3 ideas that you can try to help recalibrate your creativity. Number 1, write an artist manifesto. Sit down and write out an artist statement. Who you are, what you're doing, what your meaning, what your purpose is behind your business. And number 2, really drill down and label what your secret sauce is. What is it about you that makes you different from everyone else? And zero in on that and celebrate it, amplify it, even if it's only within your mind or your planning, but know your secret sauce. And number 3, change your routine. If you wake up every morning and drink the same type of coffee and start on the same thing, switch it up. Do everything backwards, incorporate new things into your day to keep the energy interesting. I hope these tips help. Let me know what you do to help with your creative mental health and check out my description for even more ideas.